What you gonna get, Delta? Huh? What you gonna get? Oh, a toy! A toy!
It's a bone.
A bone! Make her do something.
She knows automatically. I don't have to tell her anything. She knows how this goes. She knows she's not supposed to eat the bone until I say uh-uh. Knows she wants it. Delta, you want it? Okay.
Bye-bye, Delta. See you later. The Q word is okay. No, it's in my hand. Sit. When I said okay, she thought she was able to get the popcorn. Okay. It's popcorn. It's a treat. Popcorn. Popcorn. Yo play. Ice cream. Low-K. Okay. Delta, you're a good doggy. Let's do it again. Popcorn treat. Popcorn. Popcorn. Okay. Good doggy.
So the dog never listens unless you got food. Delta?
That's not true.
Lay. Good girl. See, I couldn't get her to lay without the food before. Come here. It's just a bath. It's okay. You want this, want this thing? I don't know. Come here, come here. You should have leashed her. We don't have a leash. Do we? We don't have a leash.
No, we have a leash.
Okay. Right, pour a little soap water on her. A little shampoo water, yeah. Okay, that's good.
She knows she's outnumbered.
A little more over here in the back.
But that won't keep her from being squirrely and trying to run.
A little more over here.
A little piece of celery while she's in your bath. She'll give her something to chew on. Yeah.
A little more over here.
Well, if it falls in the soap, then it's soapy celery. Oh well.
Just shampoo, it's not soap.
Yeah, it's shampoo.
Oh, that's edible?
Oh, yeah.
Edible shampoo. Ooh, slip sliding away.
One more. In the back.
Nothing like a little celery to,
Back here.
try that with your kids. Give them a little celery if they won't take a bath.
Try that and brush on her.
You might have to put peanut butter on it.
Amazing, she likes the celery.
Oh, she loves veggies.
A little more up here.
So,
Not on her head.
carnivore turned vegetarian.
Okay. Let's go ahead and pour it. But don't soak me. A little bit more. You want to
Good girl.
Alright, we can rinse her off now. Get that suds on her head. Pouring. Okay. A little slower. What else we got here in her head? Her face. Oh, yeah, go ahead. A little bit more. She's still soapy back here. A little more. There's not much left. There's like a couple. Okay, a little bit more over here. Where? Just over her back, yeah. Okay.
Where do you think you're going?
Ah! Oh. She's clean. Good girl.
Oh yeah, she does get a towel dry. Is that extra?
Well, that was warm
Or
water.
is that included?
She doesn't like the towel. She's growling at the towel. Don't bite me.
Easy, Delta. Easy. I'm trying to teach her easy.
Good
Girl. It's okay. Crawling into masters, big rat.
Don't let her jump on the door anymore.
That's probably as dry as she'll get.
What a good girl. Be careful.
Now you're free. You're a free dog.
She's gonna get all over your food and go in here.
Let's go out of the kitchen.
Let's take her out in the sun.
There.
You could get away with that once, but...
No, you off.
Okay, let's leave her out here.
This is good that I cleaned it up out here. Yeah, her foot's still bleeding a little tiny bit. Yeah. You were a good girl. We have your dinner. We have your dinner. Okay. She did good. Better than the last couple of times.
That looks like Italian food.
She'll dry in the sun pretty quick.
Lucky dog. Puts a new slant on the saying lucky dog.
Yeah, she'll dry off good.